back to a brand new video. So for today's video, it was a highly requested look from a lot of you girls, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and recreate it for you guys. And excuse my crusty little ponytail, you know, it's mom life. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna focus on this look. I don't care how I look, I'm just gonna film it for you guys. That way you guys can go ahead and see how I did this look. So I'm not gonna do my face or anything like that. I'm just gonna strictly stick to this eye, and I'm gonna be showing you guys step by step how I created that look. So if you guys are interested in knowing how to get this look, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start out by highlighting my brow bone, and if you guys have seen my past two videos, you guys know what I've been using. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade number 10. Okay, so going in with this purple, I'm going to apply it right here under my brow bone in tapping motions or in patting motions. And then I'll go back and blend out any harsh lines that I do have. And you do want the outer corner to be a little bit more intensified than the inner corner. So my main focus is going to be out here. Of course, you're still going to bring it down here, but very lightly. Right here in the front, you can go in with circular motions. That way it can fade a little bit and not be as pigmented. Okay, so now I'm just going to start blending out the edges in circular motions. Also, one more thing, you don't have to bring your eyeshadow way up here close to your brow. That's just how I like it, so that's the reason that I'm bringing it up here. But you can always just, you know, blend it out lower than that. And then I don't know if you guys can see, like, this always happens with darker shades. But right here, it's like a two-tone. Of course, you know, this is blended, but you still have like this demarcation line right here with that bold color. So what you want to do is take that same color. So I'm taking that purple and just do patting motions to blend it out. Don't bring it all the way up here because of course, you know, that's blended, so then it's not going to look blended. But just do tapping motions and that'll help you blend everything out together. Okay, so now that I have that blended, I am going to apply some black shadow right here in the outer corner and just do tapping motions. And this is just to brighten up my color and make it a little bit more bolder. Your main focus is right here in the outer corner, and then you can just always go back really lightly to the inner corner and just blend everything out. But start off with tapping motions out here. So it looks pretty blended to me. So now I'm just going to take a smaller detailed brush, and this one's from Morphe as well. This one, oh, it doesn't even have a name or a number, but it looks like this. It's really small and detailed and fluffy. I'm just going to apply some purple shadow and apply it under my waterline. So again, I'm going to apply the black shadow down here, and this is where I want it more intensified, right here on the outer corner. So pretty much we're doing the same thing that we did on top to the bottom. Okay, so I think that's pretty blended to me. So now I'm just going to cut my crease, but what I'm using to cut my crease is the NYX glitter glue. I'm not using no concealer. The reason I'm using this glue is because I was going more for like a softer kind of purple look. But that day it got out of hand, so I was like, yeah, whatever. So lately I've been just doing that. I've been cutting it with the glue, and then I really like it. You're pretty much just cutting it how you would with the concealer. And then you do want to take a flat brush to set your eyeshadow. Okay, that was so easy. That's the reason that I like the glue better than the concealer. Sometimes. If I do want my color to pop a lot more, of course I'm going to go in with the concealer. But with the concealer, you have more trouble blending it out. Especially for beginners, it's really hard. But this glue right away just blended really good. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the NYX liner in the shade Matte. To tell you guys the truth, I had stopped maybe for like 5 months not using casi no liner. Unless it was like a smoky look, then I would just go in with the black shadow and just smoke it out. Or if I would do like a colorful look and I wanted like a colorful eyeliner, I would just go ahead and draw it out. But I had actually stopped using the black eyeliner and I don't know why, like, I don't know. But now lately, if you guys have seen my recent pictures, I've been doing eyeliners like every single day on every look. So of course I do want the very end to be thicker than the front, so that's what I'm going for. Now just a little bit of mascara so my lashes can hold a lot better. So I'm letting my lash dry a little bit, and you guys already know the lashes that I use. It's Betsy lashes. I do have a code with them. I always tell you guys this, but you guys don't have to use it if you guys don't want to. But if you guys do, I'm going to leave it right here. So while that's drying up a little bit, I'm just going to highlight my inner corner. And I'm going in with the Pure Cosmetics Sculpture Palette. You always want to take a smaller mirror. That way you can see where you're applying your lashes. These are my favorite lashes by far. And the reason they are is because you can pretty much do them with like a really full glammed look, or you can just, you know, apply them on with a simple look. Your eyes are just gonna look really open and just natural, but at the same time full. Okay guys, so this is it. I am all done with this look. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys do decide to recreate this look, go ahead and tag me in it. I would love to post it on all my social medias. And also don't forget about our giveaway that I am doing with Rosita. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, comment, like, and share on our last video. And then go ahead and hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload a video. That way you guys won't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.